Don't know what the hell this is. Where am I? I'm on Coronado Island. Yeah, I think we booked this trip like 10 days ago. I'll see what I film, see what I don't film. There's behind me, there's some kind of, we have no idea what this is. Can you see what it is? Yeah, there it is. There's like a hot air balloon. We're wondering if there's gonna be a concert. It looks like maybe there's a stage set up. At first I thought it was a wedding, but it seems like that's not what it is. So let's go. Over there.
Lobby.
Missed one. Oh. Yeah.
Oh, he's hanging out. This guy. Oh.
Whoa.
Can I have a cigarette? You got a cigarette I can call on?
Grubby's not catching gnarly pounders.
No.
Wow.
Later, groupies.
Grubby's gonna pound some gnarly
Groupies.
I know not of your pod. Oh, I think there's a guy in there.
You think there's a guy swimming with them?
I think.
No, I think they're circle pit.
I don't know. It almost looks like there's a guy in there. I can't tell on the camera. I'll be able to see.
No.
The zoom on this thing is crazy.
Is it? It's
Yeah.
like 2,000 or something like that, 4,000.
I think 400, like 412 or something.
Pretty good tech for 2006.
I think it's 2010.
Oh, sorry.
This is going to be like my best performing video.
You think so?
Yeah, because it's going to be like anybody who wants to check out this camera. I swear it looks like there's a guy swimming in there.
It's also got coast to coast appeal. Anyone on the East Coast and the West Coast will like this video.
Yep. That looks like a guy. Holy fish face! It's a guy. I lost him.
There's not a guy in there.
There's a guy in there.
These dolphins are getting after it though.
I lost him. What does matcha look like on the beach in 480p? Okay, today is Wednesday. We were supposed to go to the Padres-Dodgers game yesterday. But we switched our tickets. We bought tickets for yesterday. Ohtani was supposed to pitch. They switched him. So we decided to get tickets for today instead. We were able to sell our tickets yesterday morning. So everything's coming up in-house right now. Yeah.
Shout out metal detector guy.
Shout out metal detector guy. Paid actor. Paid actor, metal detector guy. I will probably not bring my camera with me to the game. You know? Although we are taking a ferry over. Yesterday when we had matcha, we saw that you could take the ferry over to the city. So I think that's what we're gonna do. And a ferry ride would be cool to film, but I don't think we're gonna do that. I'm hopefully getting to some juicy stuff in this book. So I'll keep you updated. We found out that this is Legends of Possible for US Bank. It's the highest honor you can get. Or something.
It's a cult.
It's a cult. Well, the walk-up music was terrible. Nick Castellanos doesn't know that Kanye is canceled because he stopped using his smartphone in 2021. Church. So, game last night. 5-0 Dodgers. 3-0?
3-0 Dodgers.
Why did I think it was 5?
Oh no, sorry, 4-0.
4-0.
Teoscar late game home run.
Okay. Great game. We saw Ohtani hit a home run first pitch of the game, which is the second time we have seen that happen. What else? Just good game. My matcha's the wrong color, and so today's matcha. I got it and I said this is the wrong color. I took a sip of it and there's coffee in it, or maybe even espresso. I have no idea what this is. I'm gonna be having spidey senses, as Janelle from Teen Mom once said. I have spidey senses. I'm like seeing molecules.
You have to stop what you're doing. No choice. You have to.
Okay, it's our last night on vacation. Today we went to Pacific Beach, and then we came back and went to our beach by the hotel. We had some drinks by the water, and then I had bronzino for dinner. Yeah, and now we're gonna go watch the sunset with Squidward.
That's it.
Take that, Spielberg.
Ninley Scott.
Losing it, Drew.
Jennifer Nolan.